Picture your network like a busy airport, where every plane, gate, and checkpoint has a specific job to keep things moving safely. Network appliances are specialized devices that manage traffic, control access, and detect threats so data gets where it needs to go without letting attackers sneak in. Network appliances are dedicated systems used to manage, secure, and optimize network traffic. Their main purpose is to enforce security, improve performance, and control how users and systems interact across different parts of a network. A jump server, also called a jump host or jump box, is a system used to securely access devices in a separate security zone. It acts as a controlled bridge between zones, is heavily hardened and monitored, and is commonly used to manage systems in areas like a DMZ. A proxy server is an intermediary between a client and the service the client wants to access. The proxy makes requests on behalf of the client, returns responses, and can apply security controls such as access control, caching, URL filtering, and content scanning. A forward proxy provides proxy services for clients and is commonly used to protect users from threats coming from the internet. In contrast, a reverse proxy acts on behalf of servers, protecting and managing access to back-end services. A load balancer distributes incoming requests across multiple servers instead of sending all traffic to one system. This improves efficiency, prevents server overload, and increases availability by keeping services running smoothly. A network intrusion detection system, or IDS, monitors network traffic to identify potential attacks and security violations. IDS detects suspicious activity and generates alerts, but it does not actively stop the attack. A network intrusion prevention system, or IPS, goes beyond detection by actively blocking or mitigating attacks. IPS systems can automatically stop malicious traffic, making them a more proactive defense. An inline IPS is placed directly in the traffic path and can immediately block threats as data flows through it. A passive IDS, on the other hand, only monitors traffic and alerts administrators without interrupting network communication. Sensors are components placed throughout the network to collect raw data about activity and events. They may be built into devices like routers, switches, servers, or firewalls and continuously gather security and performance information. Collectors receive raw data from sensors and are responsible for storing, processing, and interpreting it. These collectors may be proprietary consoles, syslog servers, or SIEM systems that analyze data to identify potential threats. Security Information and Event Management, or SIEM, consoles collect data from multiple sources and use correlation engines to detect attacks. By analyzing patterns across logs and events, SIEM tools help security teams see the big picture of what is happening on the network. The key takeaway is that network appliances work together to control access, balance traffic, and detect threats across the network, and if this helped, consider liking and subscribing for more lessons like this.